Hello friends, welcome to English by Mahesh. In this video, let's learn 50 daily used English sentences using the helping verbs am, is and are. These are very simple and useful for daily conversations. Let's start now. Sentences with am used only with I. Here are 10 examples that show how to use am in simple and daily sentences. I am happy today. I am going to school. I am feeling tired. I am ready now. I am cooking dinner. I am watching TV. I am learning English. I am your friend. I am on my way. I am at home. Try to speak along with me. Sentences with is. We use is with singular subjects like he, she, it, or one person or one thing. He is a doctor. She is my sister. It is a cat. He is reading a book. She is sleeping now. It is raining outside. He is watching a movie. She is my best friend. It is not working. He is at the office. These sentences are super helpful for your daily conversations. Negative sentences with is. Now let's learn how to make negative sentences using is. Just and not after is like this. He is not at home. She is not feeling well. It is not my bag. He is not angry. She is not coming today. Sentences with are. We use are with you, we, they and for plural subjects like students or friends. You are my friend. We are going to the market. They are playing outside. You are right. We are watching TV. They are good students. You are very kind. We are happy with the result. They are waiting for the bus. You are doing a good job. Negative sentences and questions with are. Now let's see how to use are in negative sentences and questions. Use questions from when you ask something. You are not late. We are not ready yet. They are not here. Are you okay? Are we going now? Are they your classmates? Are you listening? Are we late? Are they coming today? Are you busy? Finally, here are some extra daily used sentences. Am, is and are. These are useful in any situation. I am feeling cold. She is in the kitchen. They are my cousins. He is in the room. We are excited. Use these sentences with your friends and family to improve faster. Well done. You just practiced 50 simple and useful sentences using am, is and are. Keep practicing and you will start speaking English more confidently. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to English by Mahesh. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.